Hello and welcome to Drinkin' in Lincoln. This is a special episode, and I know it's been quite a while since I last posted. I think it was July, and I apologize for that. But today we are trying out a pizza vending machine that popped up in Lincoln, and I thought it was kind of cool, and some friends told me that I should make a video on it. So here we go. So, this is the pizza machine. It's called a Pizzomatic. Okay. I guess you pick your pizza here. Corn Coast Classic Beef. There's a vegan pizza, something called a C-Note, piggy bank. There's a breakfast pizza. Let's try this. Let's try this one. And we'll add to cart. Check out. Okay, now it's asking me for my payment, so I'm gonna change it around, turn it around. Oh. Okay, it looks like it took my payment. And now I guess it's making my pizza here. Oh, and it shows a little video. It even says that it's preheating. Now, it does look like it just told me that it does take a 7% gratuity. So, I don't know, there's someone inside there taking tips, making the pizza? Wouldn't it be funny if there's like a little tiny chef inside? Maybe it's a Keebler elf. Alright, it sounds like it's... Oh, it failed. Well, here, let's try one more time. Let's do... Here, I wonder if maybe they didn't have an ingredient. Let's just try the classic pepperoni. We'll add to cart. And I guess you can actually order it cold if you want. I don't really know how that would work, but that's kind of neat. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, it's saying that it's unboxing now. Alright, so now it's baking. Okay, I thought it was gonna come out of there. Okay, and then it has this little progress bar. Now, I noticed that it's playing music. And it took me a second to recognize the song. It's Pure Imagination from Willy Wonka. But a dark cover. Actually sounds kind of cool. Okay, while that's baking, I guess, here's the info. It says that you can go to Pizzomatic.us. I will say you can totally smell it baking. It's actually kind of cool. It smells really good. Now, one of my friends did they did some reason. Oh, look. I don't know if you can see that, but you can kind of see the pizza baking in there. I thought I was just gonna get a slice, but I think I'm getting a whole pizza. Which actually, the cost of the pizza itself is $15, and then there's a 7% gratuity for some reason. So that's actually pretty decent. And then, but anyway, like one of my other friends, they did some research on the company, and they said that they thought it said that it isn't frozen. So I'm not sure how that quite works. Yeah, it's almost done. But yeah, you can kind of see it baking in there. I wish they had more light in there so you could see it. Looks like I'm at 88%. Okay, 97, 98, 99. Alright, says that it's coming out. You think it'll come in they'll put it in a box, I wonder? They also dispense you a pizza cutter, a napkin, and some gloves. Okay, it says that it is packing the pizza now. Oh, I thought I heard something drop. Oh, look at that.
Your pizza. Please take your...
Okay, we're back at home with the Pizzomatic. There's the online info if you'd like it. It says it is the ATM that never runs out of dough. Okay, and then there's the pizza. That looks pretty tasty. And like I said, it comes with this, a cutter, tissue, and gloves. So let's unbox that. And it looks like the knife is made out of bamboo. So it's at least a little bit stronger than a plastic one. I suppose you probably... I assume the gloves are because, I don't know, maybe they expect you to eat it in your car since it's an ATM. We're gonna wear them. Oh, wow, you get... You get 3 gloves. Here. Let's see. Okay, as far as the knife goes, it's actually cutting really well. Well, kind of. It's cutting better than a disposable knife should. We'll say that, but it's not doing perfect. Trying to get a good slice for you guys. I think the gloves are because in order to cut, you have to hold it down with your hand. Okay, it is cup style pepperoni. That is my least favorite type of pepperoni. It gives me the creeps, but that's okay. For some reason, I think cup style pepperoni looks like Freddy Krueger. You know, it's not bad. It's actually pretty good. I would say it's about as good as bowling alley pizza, which is actually pretty good in my opinion. Yeah. For $15 plus 7% gratuity for a machine. It's an okay deal. Maybe you're paying more for the experience. You can get a cheaper pizza at Domino's that probably tastes a little bit better. But Domino's don't stay open 24 hours either. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's acceptable. I'd say, considering that it's open 24 hours, it's only a little bit over $15. And it's pretty decent pizza, about what you would expect at like a bowling alley. Yeah, it's pretty good. I could see crack open a beer, have a slice. And the fact that you get a whole pizza, honestly, when I saw it was $15 and I thought it was just one slice, I thought that was kind of a ripoff. But with it being a whole pizza, it's pretty decent. It's a medium-sized pizza. Not bad. I will say, it does come on this wire thing, and the box has holes on the bottom. So I would be a little afraid of grease leaking onto my car seat. That would be one of the things I'd worry about. But as far as it goes, have an eat on me. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you later.